Welcome to AIMS. We are going to continue with the exam management section, and that is the exam remarks which we are giving on the basis of full exam. So if we select general purpose pass fail first term, which has been already entered the marks as well, section A search. So that is the percentage. You can see every student has taken 307 out of 400. These are the marks of 10 marks out of these. That's the percentage and that's the result. So now you can see the percentage and you can put your remarks on the basis of these results in front of you. So I will say that's best performance in this exam, and keep it up. So I will give it to all of the students above 70%, and I will change it here. Good performance. Almost for above 60%, and here you can say you can put your comments as per your own judgment, but I will just put the same comments for all of them above 50%. It's just a way to record it. So that's how we are adding these comments, which you will be able to see in the mark sheet or progress report or the exam report sections. Thank you very much for watching this.